Watch for different tactics.
God. You lose your tampon?
Jake, watch the pine trees. What is this?
What is this yo-yo doing?
You think they don't know we have night vision? Yes. I want everybody to hold. 30 yards.
No. What are you doing? No, don't do that. Fuck.
Shooting at you! Just fucking shoot back!
That's what I'm telling you!
We got 30 guys firing at us!
17 fat my ass.
Okay, tree line.
Window. Boss, you got big ordnance coming out of there.
Hit the bus!
Some trucks, big mounted technicals.
Blue! Cavalry's here.
Yeah, looking a little light, but welcome to the party.
Middle East never lets you down. Personable, organized, easy to navigate. Makes me need a fucking drink. Where's my frogman?
Building C, up top.
Gonna exfil now?
Oh shit, get us to Tripoli, brother. I'll get you wasted.
I'm the commander of the Libyan Shield. Thank you for coming.
Sir, we're tasked with sensitive document destruction.
Not a moment too soon.
Hey, Glenn. Anyone call an airport limo?
What up, brother Bub? Good to see you, brother. Sorry I'm late. I got hung up in the gift shop. Well, you guys made a mess up here.
Would have waited for you, but people crying and dying over the radio, man. We didn't have the heart for it.
Hey, Ron, I'd like to tell you it's over, but it isn't. The 24 CIA staffers here, plus 5 state guys, plus 6 GRS, plus us.
I get it. Too many.
There's no one in the jet. Think you can hold things down here for a few more hours?
Tell you what, these are some hellish warriors. And I'd be lucky to have their back any day.
Hey, Dave.
Yo.
Lucky day. Head on down. Safe travels, buddy.
Thanks. I grabbed my gear.
It was Silver at.
Over on D?
Yeah? I didn't think you were coming. Figured you had something better to do. Dude, I was. And then there's all that never leave a brother SEAL behind bullshit, so here I am.
Long ride to the airport ahead of us. I'm gonna see what the holdup is.
Hey, where the hell are you guys going?
boss hear that?
Guys, got an order? Orders incoming. Get cover!
Boss, I'm coming!
Run!